Badun bro.
Badon.
Badon?
Go inside. Go, just go northwest.
Defensive Badon.
Defensive Badon.
Sam, can you come here?
Yeah. I'm on
Just
I'm on
hold,
riverbed.
guys. Just hold. Just let them. Let them. Okay, come here. Come here. Okay, the clap. Clap the pace. Follow me. We're gonna engage shallow. Okay, we're gonna engage shallow. Okay, ready? Wait. Ready? Shallow on me in 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Nice, go on. Okay, go back inside. Okay, go back inside. Sustain, guys. Go sustain. Go. Find the healer. Go back inside, guys. Go back inside. Don't fight in the shock. You see this? Inside. Roll this. Pull inside. Come back here.
Ready.
Come back. Okay, they have no mana. Come back. Just hold. You didn't use your resources, right? Not much.
Yes.
Okay, not much. Okay.
I have Giga yet. I have Giga pa.
Okay, if you see some brawlers gonna come inside, just hit them, okay? If the healer gonna come in, kill him.
Nice.
It's okay.
Monster.
Okay. Ready on me. Drop on me on the choke in 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Nice one. Go back. Oh, don't force hammer.
Ready, Giga?
Sustain.
Healer yung nakamat.
Spots. The healer. Focus the healer. Guys, focus the healer. Guys. Follow guys. Healer. Focus the healer. Cool down, ready? Give me cool down. Okay, inside. After cleric. In 3, 2, 1. After cleric. Kill. Nice one. Okay, other healer.
One healer done.
Kill the other. Roll. Go. Chase. Okay, inside. Tell me cooldown.
14 seconds, RB.
They have no healer.
They have no
They're running
healer. Chase everyone. Chase everyone. Kill them. Kill them. Kill them. Kill everybody. Kill them. Go fucking you like cooler. What the fuck you doing here, huh? Go, huh?
Rooted.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, there is more. Help me, come here.
There's more.
There is. What the? Oh, it's rat. What the hell? It's rat. They're chasing the guy. Come here, follow me.
Kill everyone. Okay, nice one. Loot. Okay, may bad sa mga healer natin. Hindi ka na.
Nag-roll yung healer natin.
Yeah, wala tayong. Oy!
What?
Hit him. Kill him.
Trap kaya. Sorry,
Kill him.
Reloaded.
Bang. Reloaded
That's our
everything,
loot.
bro.
That's our loot.
Oh,
Stun.
kill him. Kill him. Drop it.
Guys, come here.
Drop it. Fucking bitch.
Help
Why
me.
you looting? Why you looting?
Help me. Come here.
Kill him. Cheese. Bang! Okay.
For him.
Bro,
Let's
there's like 9 people chasing the same guy with me.
Dinatog ang ulo.
Oh, lot. Everybody,
I'll
lot.
just leave the
Everybody,
guy
lot.
then.
Castle.
Castle?
No.
Nag-roll din sila
Raven
doon.
Stepe.
Tsaka
Oh
si
my god, bro.
Mumbo.
Go stepe.
Why yung 6-3 mo, Mumbo?
Go stepe.
Go stepe. One guy stay here, loot.
Fuck, stepe. Fuck, Castle Lord, shit. Oh no. Okay, one guy cloud here. Natas preview. Fuck.
Yeah.
Who should I trade?
One healer tayo dyan,
I have 4M in the bag, bro.
Go.
Just go.
Castle.
Oy,
Castle.
go. Just 2 people loot. Let me click.
Sino may
Pwede
iwan
na
dyan?
natin sino nag-lock up.
Isa lang. Who's
Wala akong premium.
no premium? Just anyone.
RB has premium.
Let me click the chest.
I have
Yeah.
premium.
Bang, you will stay here?
Yeah.
Sino ko nag-top?
I have
Sige.
premium.
Can I trade you, Bang? I have 4M here.
Yeah.
Go stepe. No, the castle. Tayo
Go.
the castle.
Okay.
Walking with the rat. Shibal.
Oh
Okay.
my bro. Just go. I'll loot.
I've lost
Oh, no.
control.
Screenshot.
Who's that?
Ito.
Who's that?
No.
Who's killed?
Castle.
Need natin ng curse para di
What
ma-open,
the
Chen.
fuck? Pistachio spread and brawl? That's a rat killed, bro.
Just come back yung rigger, mahila ko. Come back yung rigger. Shit!
Need natin ng curse para dyan. Ma-open din nila yan.
Ah, wala rin tayong first stuff. Fuck!
What is that, bro? What is that guild? Pistachio?
Step in na kayo. Sige. Oh, wait.
Lagyan mo na lang ng Q doon. Ano ka doon? Yung Q ng nature.
Kill na nature. Lagyan mo lagi.
Hindi, lagyan mo yung Q1.
How is life, Latrek?
Yung
You
gamot-gamot.
didn't bring him back.
Go, guys, go. Fuck! We're
Oh
gonna
my
get
god,
rat.
bro. We got rat. Oh my god, I found Billy's dead body.
Yeah.
Meron ako ditong pats. Tsaka beef stone. Doon.
Who's this?
Hindi ko alam dun. Sino nakalot na. Miss Walker.
Wang man.
Ulot na Miss Walker jacket, yes. It's okay. Jet!
May ano ba dito lahat? May hammer
You guys
ba?
on
Yeah,
step
may
in,
hammer,
no?
may hammer.
Guys,
Go hammer.
Quick,
Ah,
1
taya,
minute.
taya.
1 minute, 20
1 minute.
seconds. Somebody look at the chest and keep hitting the guy looting.
Alam mo.
Wait,
Oh,
wait.
Invictus is here.
Shit! Come on.
Sino yan?
Ale, mga girls. Come.
Smoke din na. Di ata tayo abot.
Kulang hammers ba, Chen?
Ano?
Shit!
Di abot, di na.
Oh! I think
Yeah,
we
Madam
need
Dun,
to
ano
hammer,
ka?
bro.
Try Q2, Madam Don. Huwag mo ipaload sila
Oh
Q2.
my god, bro.
Ed. Ah,
Hammer, 38
Cute,
seconds,
cute.
37, 36, 35.
Madam Don, Q2.
Hammer.
Yung nga pala.
Bro.
30 seconds, 29,
Ah.
38, 27, 26.
Ay, yung isa, Madam Don, yung ilalagay yung Q2. Proper to, Chen. Tangina mo, Chen.
Hammer.
Just hammer, they're mounted.
Ang kutsi ito, Chen.
16,
Hammer.
15.
Just hammer.
Chen, ang kutsi naman ito.
Ayun.
Ah, merong fire, oh. Madam Pluto, eh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the
Lagay mo lang sa ano, Madam Pluto. Sa my chest. Hala na. Open.
Putang era.
Take SS, give me a moment.
Fucking Shibal, bro.
Okay.
Ibal talaga. Na-open.
Walang hammer. Okay, guys, don't bring hammer. Okay na, Chen. Open na yan, Chen.
Patay natin sila. Go inside.
Wala na, lumabas na.
Pinalot ba?
I think most likely I can't loot that.
Hindi pa
relic.
nalot. Kuya natin yung loot.
Baka kayo
Oh,
pa patay dyan.
Did you really just loot the relic?
Red and blue.
Bangan
Maboy.
139.
70.
139? Okay. Give me. I'm 56.
Papalag ata to, Chen. Papalag to.
They're thinking.
Balag yan.
Okay, give me the relic.
Full
Kill the guards.
blue.
Ang
Mark yan ng healer.
Give me the relic.
Par kulang.
You can add more. Too much. Half.
Una ata i-post yan, Chen. Pupost mo
Yes,
pa yan. Chen.
At
Oo, nagano
5.
ka din.
Yes, perfect. 100.
Come here.
Okay.
Dropping inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Let's trash this.
Trash this.
We take their gear.
We're gonna take their gears. Don't ready to catch. Wait. Hold on.
Ito, pati yung mobs dito.
All day. Kill the mobs.
Dodge. Touching.
Dodge barrel, guys. Dodge barrel.
Slowly lang, Chen.
Chest is already looted.
They actually trying to lure us to the guards.
Oh, malis na.
Damn.
Malis na ba?
Bro, I should have stayed there.
Keep dodging, guys. They're wrapping around 111.
Uy,
Ang dami, Chen.
Kill the
Chen,
guard.
ang dami ah.
dami na.
Okay.
Uy,
Go
nako.
northwest. What the fuck?
Yan na nga.
Dito na ako. Dito na ako sa mob. Dito na ako sa mob.
Go northwest. Okay, ready. Inside. Stuck now. Ready inside. In 3, 2,
Ayun,
1.
malaki.
Inside of me.
Ayun, Ini.
Fucking root bag. Go.
Guys.
Go outside. The
Okay,
fuck
guys.
what it? Too many bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, they go.
Hindi ko na nga. Ayaw din sila umalis eh.
Run!
Run, bitch, run!
Kasi umalis eh, wala objective.
Ay. Bro.
Run, niggas, run!
Guys, fuck.
Wala tuloy, yung loot nyo, naging loot tuloy nila.
I got 4M, bro. I'm dying.
Yeah.
Ah,
Rep. Let's run, bitch, run.
Abarod, Chen.
I'm running at the opposite side.
Oy.
Takbo
Share
lang.
mo.
Mount
Mount up. Abarod.
Run for your life, my boy.
Nabuhay si Chen. Namatay
Oh.
kayo. I-blame niyo si
El Cal.
Chen.
Greedy call.
For people chasing me, bro. What the fuck?
999.
Green
Greedy
is good.
call.
999.
Greedy call.
Oh.
Okay,
Nag-hit
wait,
ball.
Okay lang yan.
Yeah.
All good. Kincha na.
Kencana.
Kencana.
Oh, the two healers survive.
Hindi ako nag-expect ganun sila kadami. Legit, sorry guys.
Kencana.